Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil change Jeep Grand Cherokee 2016, only way. Begin with the ignition off and ensure the vehicle is in park, then press and hold the trip button on the cluster. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, wait for the system prompt, and release the trip button when accessory or ODO appears to confirm the reset sequence is active. Follow a steady rhythm while performing the reset to avoid missed prompts and confusion. First press and hold the trip button, then turn the key to on or press start twice, keeping the engine off. Maintain the hold until the cluster displays a reset option or changes to ODO, then release. Confirm the oil change light is off and take a brief test drive to ensure the message does not return. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more easy car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep you comfortable during long garage sessions and look clever while you work. I put the link and other deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, stay calm and retry the steps exactly as shown. Timing and button pressure matter. Ensure the vehicle is in park and the ignition is on but the engine remains off. If the cluster fails to respond, check battery health or try again after a short rest. Minor variations in prompts can occur, so consult your owner manual for button labels or alternate display cues if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.